Now, if we move on to example 1, we still see that table that shows the relationship between my age in years and my sister's age in years. Notice my sister is always 2 years older than me, so she always has an age that's 2 more than my age. Now, letter A asks, what if you don't know how old I am? Let's use a variable for my age. Let's let y represent my age in years. Okay, so we're going to put a y right there. Can you develop an expression to describe how old my sister is? Well, we can use the pattern that we have. Okay, for example, when 0, we always added 2, and we got my sister's age. If we added 2 to 1, we got the 3. If we added 2 to 2, we got the 4. We added 2 to 3, we got the 5. And if we added 2 more to the 4, we get 6. We're going to do the same thing to the y. And I shouldn't write that there. We're going to add that to the y. And when we do, we get y plus 2. Our expression is y plus 2. Now it tells us to add that to the last row. Y plus 2 is an algebraic expression that it describes my sister's age because it describes the pattern in the relationship between my age. If I am y years old, she's going to be 2 years older than me. She's going to be y plus 2. And that could be used to figure out any age of my sister if you know what age I am. For example, if I'm 90 years old someday and my sister is still alive, I can substitute 90 for the y. That means my sister would be 90 plus 2, which is 92. If I am 43 years old, I can substitute the 43 for y, and my sister would be 43 plus 2, which is 45.